All right, what does it say is when the hood goes up, it's just that easy to be spending money on repairs. Anyway, we got the truck here in the local shop in Fontana. They do really decent work here. They're quick, and the prices are pretty good, you know. So, just looking at the tire here. Hancock tire. Don't know what that is about. Anyway, this is the side that needs attention. We got a leaking inner wheel seal. Yeah, splashing on the brake pads there, so it definitely needs to get addressed. We got our new wheel seal there. I even took liberty in going and getting that out hub seal as well, just in case we need to change it there. And there's the drum, bolts there, caps, the tire, and everything. So every day we're making strides of getting everything addressed as soon as it kind of like needs it, you know. So really important. They got a good boss, which I do, thank God, and he's not shy about getting the truck fixed. He doesn't give me really a problem. We discuss it. We make the best decision that we can. Sometimes you're under a load, and if something can be held off a little bit, I like the fact that he's able to keep us moving safely, and when the time is right, get it repaired. You know, so it's really good. Some people worry about how much you're making, what type of vehicle you're running, what year's the trailer, and all that. Yeah, those things are important, but overall, you need to be working with a company that when you're in a pinch, it doesn't happen all the time, but you want to know, like, how do they handle issues like that when you do have a breakdown. Very important, guys. You can be in the newest truck and great, but then if it needs to go to the dealer, they might give you excuses, do another load or this or that, because they know the dealership sometimes is pretty slow. Even though it's under warranty, that sounds good news for your pockets because you don't have to pay, but it's going to tie you up, and sometimes there's a couple-day wait to get into a dealership. So you got to think of the long ball picture here, guys. Is it's who you're working with, how they're going to look after you, and everything, you know. So very good. Hey, any problems? No. You think it's just a seal? You don't know yet.
It's just a seal for right now.
Okay, thank you, man.